Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to add products to Shopify from Autods. Let's get started. First, make sure you have both a Shopify account and an Autods account. Once you've created your accounts, it's time to connect Autods to Shopify store. Keep Shopify open in one tab and Autods in another. On Autods, click Add Store, click Single Product, then click Add Store again, and select Shopify. Then click Continue. Click I have a Shopify store, then click Continue again. If it's your first time, click Install to add the Autods app to Shopify. Once installed, your Shopify store will be successfully connected to Autods. To import a product, for example, from a supplier like Amazon, go to your Autods and click on Add Products. Then choose Single Product. Go to Amazon, search for a product you want. For example, these plates. Copy the product link, paste the link into Autods, and click Edit Now. Here, you can optimize the title and description with AI. And if your plan supports it, turn on stock and price monitoring. Then, just click Save and Import, and the product will be added to Shopify store. And that's it. You now know how to import products to Shopify using Autods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.